Well, hi, Zach.
Hi.
Do you want to go to the park? Yeah. Let's go get your Lightning McQueen car.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no! What happened to your car, Zach? Oh no! What happened
I
to
need to wash it.
your Lightning McQueen car?
I need to wash it.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
What do you want to do?
Wash it.
You want to give it a car wash? Let's do this.
I can't.
You can? Do you need some help? Squeeze, squeeze.
No, it's good.
Here. You squeeze. No, move your hand from here. You just hold like this and you squeeze. Ooh! Go. Zach, do you need some help? Yeah? Okay, who you want to call for help?
Heidi.
Okay, let's call Heidi.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Heidi, Heidi. Heidi, Heidi. Here's Heidi. Hi. Are you going to help Zach out?
What happened?
His car is dirty.
Let me help you out.
Look at this car. It's so dirty. It's muddy. Heidi's going to help out? Awesome. Whoa! Come on, Heidi, clean it all up. Wow, Heidi. Good job. Wow. It's so shiny. This is so perfect.
You want to see Lightning McQueen?
Yeah. Wow, Lightning McQueen is so clean now. This is so awesome.
Thank you, Heidi. It's all clean.
Yeah, thank you, Heidi.
To give it a glow, let's add some soap.
Okay, let's add some soap. Is this bubbles? Wow. Perfect. Let's put some water now.
Water.
Zach, are you excited? Yeah. Go, Heidi. Good job. That's it. That's it. That's a lot. Good job, Heidi. Okay, so let's bring it here. Here we go. Whoa. Zach, you want to help out?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Do you want to dip it in for me? Yeah.
Good job, Zach. Teamwork.
Scrub.
Yay, good job. You guys are awesome.
All that soap out.
Let the soap out. Scrub, scrub, scrub.
That's a lot of soap.
That's a lot of soap. What about here? The eyes, Zach. Go, Zach, do the eyes. Come. Wow. That's an awesome job, guys. Good job.
A bit more soap.
A little bit more soap?
Okay.
Okay, so guys, what about we pour it all? 3, 2.
One.
Wait. Wait, guys, wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Good job.
Now, do you want to rinse it? Yeah.
Rinse it a little bit more.
Let's go.
Oh, okay, you don't have to do it. Heidi would do it. Nice, Heidi. Go, 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 go. Look at this, it's all clean now. Good job. Let's see it now. Wow, it's all clean. Hi, Zach. Are you ready to go to the park? Awesome. Woohoo! Okay, Zach, let's go to the park with Lightning McQueen car. Let's go to the park. Yay! Look Look at this awesome car! Whoa! Oh no, watch out, watch out!
Oh no!
What happened to McQueen car, Zack? What? Oh no! It got so dirty. I need help, Zack. Come get it out. Come get it out of the water, Zack. Help me. Okay, let's get it out of the water. Oh no! Oh no! Lightning McQueen car got so dirty. Zack, what does that mean? Do you wanna take it to the car wash?
Yeah.
Do you wanna wash it?
Yeah.
Okay, high five. Let's do this. Awesome. Okay, Lightning McQueen car. We have to go wash you. Wash, wash, wash. Let's go. It's so dirty. Can we ride it when it's dirty? No, we can't. Okay, let's go wash it. It's so dirty. Are you ready to wash the car, Zack?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's wash Lightning McQueen. Woohoo! Wash, 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 wash. Awesome job, Zack. Yay! Good job. Wow, it's super clean. Good job, Zack. Look, Zack. Oh no, what about Tommy's the train? Tommy's the train has lots of snow on it. Wash, wash, Tommy's the train, Zack. Yay! Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, Thomas. Zack is giving you a car wash. That's awesome. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give car a washy. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give Thomas a washy. Yeah, good job. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give the cars a washy. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give the cars a washy. Cars are all clean. Cars are all clean. Yay! Good job, Zack. High five! You did it. High five! High five! No more. High five, Zack. You did it. Good job.
Oh no!
No! What happened, Zack? Oh no, your car is so muddy! Oh no! What does that mean, Zack?
We have to wash the car.
Good job! I'm proud of you. We have to wash this muddy car. Okay, let's go take it for a car wash. Okay, Mommy's gonna help you to pick it up, okay, Zack? And let's go for a car wash! There, ew, muddy. Ew, okay, let's go, Zack. Okay, Zack, are you ready to give it a car wash?
Yeah.
Awesome, go, Zack. wash your car. Look at this. It's getting cleaner. Okay, so now it's time to add soap. Okay, let's add some soap. Yeah, Gecko soap. Okay, Zach, add water. Good job. Good job, Zach. Keep going. Good job. Here we go. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give this car a washy. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give your car a washy. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give your car a washy. Squishy, squishy, squashy. Give your car a washy. Good job. Okay, so now you're gonna put the entire soap on it. Ooh, look at this. Whee! Whee! Okay, Zach, you wanna throw all the soap in on it? Here we go. Yay! Go, Zach. Here we go. Good job. High five. High five. Yes, you did it. Good job. Wash the car. Wash, wash, wash. Make it shiny. Here we go. Make it shiny, Zach. Good job. The eyes. The eyes. Good job. It's super shiny. Oh, okay. There we go. Woo, okay. Good job, Zach. Look at Zach. He's doing amazing. Okay, Zach. Hi, Heidi.
Hi.
Hi, Zach. Hi. Where are you guys going?
To the park.
To the park? Are you taking your Thomas the Train and Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
What happened?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Thomas is so dirty! And look at Lightning McQueen car! Yucky, yucky! Zach, can you ride the car dirty?
No, I can't.
Oh no! What about you, Heidi? Can you ride Thomas the Train dirty? No. So what should we do?
Give it a car wash.
Give it a car wash! Are you ready for a car wash?
Yeah.
Are you ready for a car wash?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, let's give it a car wash. Okay, so we have our water. Zach, you wanna start? Go ahead. Clean, clean, clean. Thomas the Train. Wash, wash, wash. Wow! Good job, Zach. Wow, Zach is so good. Good job. Look at Zach cleaning Thomas the Train. Water, water, more, more, more. Good job. On his head, on his head, on his face, on his face. Come on here, Heidi, so he doesn't spray you. Go there. Here we go. Wow, more, Zach, more. More. Wow, Thomas the Train is almost fully clean. Good job, Zach. We like Thomas to be clean, right, Zach? Yeah, good job.
Earned it.
Awesome job, Zach. Yay. Okay, Zach, now you have to pass it to Heidi. Heidi will clean the car.
I clean the car.
You want to clean the car? Okay, Zach, clean the car. Wow, Zach is helping Heidi to clean the car. Good job, Zach. Are you helping your sister? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Again. It's a little dirty. It's a little dirty. Yay. More.
There's a big one.
Wow, big one. Here's a big one.
Oh, there's a big one. There's a big one.
Good job. Yay. Go away, big one. Go away. Wow, you're so good at cleaning, Zach. Okay, Heidi, you gonna pour some soap?
Yeah.
Teamwork! Good job, Heidi. Teamwork! Zack is cleaning and Heidi's pouring soap. Come on, Heidi. More. That's it. Good job, Heidi. Zack? Okay, can you put some water in here?
Yeah.
Good job. Wow, awesome job. More. More water. Good job, Zack. You did it. I think that's enough, right?
Yeah.
So much bubbles.
Okay, Zack.
Together, teamwork. Go. Whoa, good job.
We washed their eye soap.
Nice. What about Tommy's the train face? What about his face?
And then the big one. He's gonna look nice and shiny.
Nice and shiny. Good job, Heidi and Zack. You guys are such a big help.
Zack, do this one.
What's gonna work? Teamwork. Good job, guys. Now, Lightning McQueen car. Go, Heidi.
Okay, now we're gonna
Scrub. Come on. Good job, Heidi. Good job. What about his face? Woohoo! So much water on his face. Good job. Come on, Zack. Clean. Yay, good job. Are we guys done?
No.
It's all shiny. Wow, I love it. Hi, Zack.
Hi.
Hi. Are you gonna play with your bubble machine? Okay.
Oh no, what are we gonna do?
What happened, Zack?
Oh no!
Oh, your bubble machine, Zack. Oh no, Zack, what happened to your bubble machine? It's all muddy.
Yeah, I have an idea. I'm gonna give it a car wash.
You wanna give it a wash?
Yeah.
That's a good idea, Zack. Okay, go get the water. Okay, Zack, get it. So we could wash all the mud. Do you need some help?
Yeah, you can turn off the water.
You wanna turn on the water?
Yeah.
What about you call Heidi for help?
Heidi!
Heidi!
Yes,
Hi, Heidi!
Hi!
Can you help us out? Can you turn on the water?
Sure.
Thank you, Heidi. Okay, Zack. Heidi's gonna turn on the water. Come wash your muddy bubble machine. Look, it's a mini motorcycle. Okay, ready to wash? Okay, Heidi, turn it on. Wow, thank you, Heidi. Okay, Zack. Good job, Heidi. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I try? Yeah.
Okay, wash, Zack. Keep washing. Keep washing your bubble machine so we could make some bubbles. Here we go. Okay, Heidi, what about you go get the soap?
Okay.
And,
Scrubber?
yes. Thank you, Heidi. Big help. Good job, Zack. You're doing it. The mud is almost out. Okay, Heidi's here.
I have some soap, a bucket, and a scrubber.
Awesome. And look at this. This is Gecko.
Yes.
And Catboy. Okay,
Let's start.
let's start. Zack, excited? Okay. Good job. Now we put the soap in. Good job. Okay, Heidi. Go, Zach. Put the water inside Catboy. Okay, Heidi, you have to open the water a little bit more. Oopsie. Okay, thank you. Oops, oops, oops. Okay, thank you, Heidi. Perfect. Okay, are you ready to scrub? Okay, let's scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's bring it here. Come.
Start scrubbing.
Let's bring it right here so we scrub. Okay, Zach, scrub, scrub, scrub. Here we go. Yes, scrub. Good job. Okay, it's Heidi's turn. Share, share. Share, share. Good job. Wow, that's a lot of bubbles. Good job. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Give it a wash. Good job. Look at this. It's perfect. Hey, now that the bubble machine is all shiny and clean, are you guys ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Wow, bubbles! Woohoo, bubbles! So awesome! Catch the bubbles, Heidi! Catch the bubbles! Okay guys, we came to the end of the video. It's time to say